So this is how you can connect your Instagram to your Facebook. There's actually two ways of doing this. You can either do it on Instagram or on Facebook. So first, let's do Facebook. Go on ahead and open up the app, and then go to the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now simply scroll down until you can find Settings and Privacy, and right under that is Settings. So tap on Settings, and then as you can see here at the very top, there's Account Center. And then you're going to want to tap on See More in Account Center. And once again, simply scroll down until you can find Accounts. So, here are your accounts. As you can see, there's a blue button that says Add Accounts. And once you tap on that, it's going to ask you to add a code. Now just simply type in your code over here, and then you'll be able to add another account, whether a Facebook account or an Instagram account. Just simply sign in to that certain account, and you're good to go. Now let's do it on our Instagram. Open up the Instagram app and then go to your profile and then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once again, there's Account Center, so you're going to want to tap on that. And then at the very bottom, there is Accounts. So simply tap on Accounts and then Add Accounts. Just like before, it's going to ask you for a code, and all you have to do is type it in, and you'll be able to add a Facebook account or another Instagram account to link to this one. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.